How to multiply $200 on the stock market, using good online investments plus digital marketing. 1. Tips for investing $200 in the stock market. A practical guide for beginners? In this blog, we will explore simple and accessible strategies for investing $200 in the stock market. From picking stocks to diversifying your portfolio, we'll help readers maximize their return potential. 2. How to multiply your $200 on the stock market. Smart strategies for ambitious investors? In this blog, we will cover more advanced strategies for investing $200 in the stock market. Let's explore investment options that are higher risk but have the potential for significant returns for those willing to take on a little more risk. 3. Investing $200 in the stock market. Which sectors and stocks to choose? In this blog, we will analyze different sectors of the economy and identify the most promising stocks to invest $200 in. We will discuss the pros and cons of each sector, as well as the long-term growth prospects. 4. Investing $200 in the stock market. How to minimize risks and maximize returns. In this blog, we will explore strategies to minimize the risks when investing $200 in the stock market. Let's discuss the importance of portfolio diversification, investing in index funds, and taking a long-term approach to achieving consistent returns. 5. Investing $200 in the stock market. Learning from the common mistakes of beginner investors? In this blog, we will discuss the common mistakes that beginner investors make when investing $200 in the stock market. We will provide tips to avoid these mistakes and maximize your investment growth potential. 6. How to invest $200 in the stock market without prior experience. A step-by-step guide? In this blog, we will provide a step-by-step guide to investing $200 in the stock market, even without prior experience. We will cover everything from opening a brokerage account to selecting stocks and monitoring investments. 7. Investing $200 in the stock market. How to monitor the performance of your investment. In this blog, we will discuss different tools and techniques to track the performance of your $200 investment in the stock market. Let's explore apps, websites, and key indicators to help investors make informed decisions. Remember to adapt your tone of voice and content according to your blog's target audience. Thank you, guys.